The hypocritical Mormon prophets. Character. This is February 22nd. That's a Utah parasite. 2012. 11:25. Asked me for a card. Looked at me wearing my imagery. In downtown Los Angeles and asked me for a card. Plenty of videos demonstrating that very obvious Mormon Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints character. And yeah, I'm looking for hot blondes. Or like-minded. Don't like hypocrites. Come soon. Let's expose those hypocrites.